Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile lighting solution that can brighten up your spaces both at home and in the workplace. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Let's take a closer look at the Amazon Basics LED Motion Sensor Light Bar. This light bar is designed to provide high-quality illumination wherever you need it, measuring 12 inches in length. With a powerful output of 250 lumens when powered via USB and 180 lumens when using batteries, it offers bright, dimmable light that can cater to a variety of lighting needs. Whether you're working on a project, preparing a meal, or need emergency lighting, this light bar has you covered. One of the standout features of this product is its on/off/auto switch. In auto mode, it activates a motion sensor with a 15-foot range, allowing it to turn on automatically when it detects movement. This is particularly useful in areas like closets or under cabinets where you might have your hands full. The dimming switch is another great feature, enabling you to adjust the brightness anywhere from 25% to 100% based on your preference or specific needs. The flexibility of this light bar is impressive, as it can be easily mounted with the included screws. Plus, it offers a swivel function, allowing you to adjust the light and motion sensor up to 90 degrees. This means you can direct the light exactly where you need it, whether that's illuminating a dark corner of your kitchen or providing extra light in your closet. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're someone who likes having efficient and adaptable lighting solutions, this light bar is for you. It's perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their kitchen, closet, or garage. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the ease of installation and the functionality it provides for your projects. Additionally, it can be a great lighting option for renters who may not be able to make permanent changes to their living spaces. Let's explore some practical use cases for this motion sensor light bar. Picture yourself coming into the kitchen late at night, and instead of fumbling for the light switch, the light bar activates automatically as you walk in. This not only makes things more convenient but also safer, as it reduces the risk of accidents in the dark. Another scenario could be in a closet. If you have a deep closet where the light doesn't reach every corner, installing this light bar will ensure you can see your clothes and accessories clearly without having to search in the dark. Plus, since it's battery operated as well, you can use it in spaces without direct access to outlets. For those with children, this can serve as a fantastic nightlight solution. You can set it up in a hallway or bathroom, providing just enough illumination for little ones to navigate safely during the night. The dimming feature allows you to set a soft glow that won't disrupt sleep but still provides guidance. Overall, the Amazon Basics LED Motion Sensor Light Bar is a convenient, flexible, and efficient lighting solution that can brighten up nearly any space. Its combination of portability, motion sensing technology, and dimmable lighting makes it an excellent addition to any home or workspace. Thanks for watching.